Now I'm not a certified yoga instructor, but this is a yoga block. You can use a yoga block or a shoe or something, your favorite book, whatever. Essentially what we're trying to do here is your back's gonna be flat. You don't want a bunch of space in between the low back. You're gonna take that object, yoga block, shoe, place it between your knees. You're gonna give it a squeeze, and in this position, you're gonna push through your heels, and you're gonna bring your hips up to a neutral position. A little bit more, a little bit less, right in there. That's all there is to it. Rest.
The thing about this one is by squeezing the block, you can't come up higher than your glutes will let you go. The only way I can get higher than here, than this point, is to move through my low back. So the purpose of this is to keep you from moving through the back. Don't worry about your range of motion. It's gonna be small. That's totally fine. Squeeze. I like to tuck and I lift. Don't let the ribs pop up because that means the back is moving.
There you go.